Hi everyone, and welcome. Have you ever been working in Google Sheets and thought, I just wish I could split this one cell in half horizontally? It's a common need, especially when you're creating custom tables or headers. You might look for a split cell button, but you won't find one. That's because Google Sheets doesn't have a direct feature for this. But don't worry, there is a very clever and easy workaround that gives you the exact same result. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. The main trick is not about splitting one cell, but about merging other cells around it to create the illusion of a split. Let's get started. First, you need to understand that we will be using two rows to create our split cell effect. So, identify the cell you want to split. For our example, let's say we want to split the cell in column A. We will actually use cell A1 and cell A2. These two cells, one on top of the other, will become the two halves of our split cell. The next step is to work on the cells next to them. Let's look at column B. Select both cell B1 and cell B2. With both cells selected, go to the toolbar and find the Merge Cells button. It looks like a rectangle with two arrows pointing towards the center. Click on it. You will see that cells B1 and B2 are now merged into a single, larger cell. Now, you just need to repeat this process for the rest of the row. Select cells C1 and C2 and click the Merge button. Then do the same for D1 and D2, and so on for as many columns as you need in your table. What you have now is a table where column A has two separate cells, A1 and A2, while all the other columns have single, tall cells that span across two rows. This creates the perfect visual effect of column A being split horizontally. To make it look even cleaner, you can add borders. Select all your cells, including the split ones in column A and the merged ones next to them. Then, click the Borders button in the toolbar and select All Borders. This will draw lines around every cell, clearly showing the horizontal line that divides A1 and A2, making it look exactly like a single cell that has been split. It's a simple trick of merging instead of splitting, and it's the best way to get this done in Google Sheets. I hope this quick guide was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tip useful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more helpful tutorials just like this one. We'll see you in the next